Going on, everybody? So we had some big red fun today. Video's gonna be a little bit of big red work and some ride time. So enjoy the video. Don't forget, subscribe, like, follow, comment, all that fun stuff. See ya. The old Mad Max Big Red 1986 ATC 250 ES is getting some attention. She runs, she wasn't shutting off. So she's got a new key switch, got a nice new cluster. Now, we gotta drill out these holes, broken off bolts so that the rack will stay down. I will be addressing the seat, not today, but yes, this needs new foam and recovered. And I've got to close up the gap on the exhaust. So yeah, Tony's got me working on it a little bit. Figure we'll do some video of it. This is Mad Max Red. Why? Because I really don't like the whole complete fenders on this. I like the broken off with just a little bit of a rack on it. That's kind of cool. Just slings mud really well. So no reason to really change much. Fix a couple of things, get her back beaten. It's a yard dog. She pulls trailers, she pulls cars, she pulls trucks, she pulls whatever I need her to do. Always starts, always runs, never a complaint. Just didn't want to shut off. Little dab of cutting oil. Leave that there just for ha-has. This thing gets abuse, it doesn't get love. Jesus. That's why it's on video. One hole, two hole. Damn, that was pretty center. Not the wing nuts, but it ain't coming up no more. And we'll throw the old beat up plastic seat. forget, turn this bitch off. Turn gas off. Don't forget, if you haven't liked the channel or subscribed to it, hit that subscribe button. Comments and likes and shares are what make these channels go. Watching them all the way through, all that stuff. So really much appreciate it, and y'all have a great day.